when to look for the certain breakouts or the certain moves. So for you to just look instantly at this as a breakout, it has to come from a weekly level. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yes.
So if price, let's say, came from a weekly and then weekly gave you an external breakout, what does that mean? We started the bullish storyline, and then price is going to react from what? The two last fresh levels. The first fresh level is this one, and the second fresh level is that one. So let's say the weekly is actually reacted from a level on the left. Let's say just the weekly did this. The weekly touch weekly, the weekly reject weekly, plus daily breakout. And the breakout is there, external, right? And then price, there where you look for the breakout. And then if price wants to pull back, does it really matter if it actually did not touch this and went lower? Because you're only looking for buys, right? So, you trying to know, let's say, every single move of the market is actually not important. You can do that, but it's not that important, okay? You should know when to look for them, honestly. Yeah, that's it. I guess I answered the question.
Yeah, no, that does answer my question. Thank you.
Yeah, no
Can
worries.
you go to H4?
Okay.
Basically, here is a question. Basically,
Yeah.
in this, can you go to right? Little bit right. I mean, in there is H4 breakout. Then I didn't find any SNL level. I mean, it's where it's reacted from.
Yeah, sometimes it does that, and actually it's AUDSD, so I don't know how it behaves. But if it was gold, I'm certainly 100% sure that it would want to come back to this one and then go up, or this one. I don't know, like this comes from my experience.
I was confused.
Yeah,
Basically,
I
I
don't
also
know.
I was
trade
looking for the
USD.
same
I was
entry
just
area, but
analyzing.
we did not fill the order.
Yeah, let me just see if there was something right here.
Bro,
Oh yeah,
audio,
see that?
Oh,
That's
yeah,
the
yeah,
level
yeah.
that it
Now,
reacted from, yeah.
now I can see.
Yeah, you could have catch the buy from there, and then you just wait for 2 time frames lower breakout. And that would be your breakout. And then wait for the pullback to the last level, and it also missed. Actually it took the QM, but it also missed the last level. I don't know. Yeah. That's how we would enter. And
Different
it came
behavior.
from a daily. As you can see, it came from a daily level and started the daily storyline. What is the next daily? Next daily is up there. Actually, that's not the next daily. What I'm saying, we are there, but the next daily would have been right here. And here we have daily reject daily. Some people are gonna start thinking, okay, bearish storyline, but no, the bearish storyline starts after we break this. So let me show you here what happened. Daily reject daily, and internal H4 breakout. Look, internal H4 breakout. Does that start the bearish daily storyline? No. It gave you maybe not a low risk, because low risk would have broke this one and then come back. But yeah, so it did not complete the storyline just because it did not break the external. And I would keep buying and buying and buying until the next just the next daily level. Yeah.
I have another question regarding gold.
Yeah, for sure.
Basically, I see sometimes the price reacting from weekly level, but it's not fresh. So I saw that we have here. I mean, there are a lot of unfresh weekly level.
Show me.
So, yeah, here. I mean, this level.
This one.
Yeah. Can you mark the level?
So you said it reacted twice. I marked it.
I mean, no. I mean, if you go to H4, then you will see there is a reaction. I mean, from breakout and reaction. I mean, sometimes it
H4
happens on lower time frame. Yeah. I mean, I was thinking that why it's
no. Show me, because I'm gonna show you why it's not twice. I'm gonna show you why it only
yeah.
reacts once and it's not twice.
Yeah.
Is this the
Can
level
you
that
go
you're
to-
talking about?
Yeah. Can you go to H4?
Okay. Oh, yeah, but this is the level that you're talking about.
Yes.
Okay. So you say I'm gonna go to H4 and find the reaction here and here, right?
Yes. No. I mean,
Okay.
after this breakout, there is a reaction on H4. So I was thinking,
Oh.
why this happened? Yeah.
After
Yeah,
what is the after this break?
No, this break. Can you go to H4? You will see maybe.
What break, bro?
I mean, this
I think we
morning
the candle
breaks.
closure as the break, the weekly candle closure.
That's the break. The break is here.
Yeah. So this.
No, go
I
to
don't
H4.
know.
Then I
Okay,
can
I'm gonna
show
go
you
to
how.
H4. Okay. Okay, just show me
Yeah,
the
yeah.
reaction. I'll tell you where it came from.
Yeah, this reaction. I mean, this reaction. I mean, it breaks on H4, then it reacted. I mean, I was thinking why this happened.
Oh, so it broke on H4 and it reacted from H4.
Yeah. Basically, I had a question. Why
Okay.
did it? Because it is not our entry type.
They,
So I was
it did
thinking,
not react from the weekly. It reacted from this daily.
okay, got it.
Yeah, understood. And then when you go
yeah.
to H4, and that's the level that it came from. And I told you guys there is a tip that you might have forgot. So whenever there is a gap level on the daily, and that gap level gave you, let's say, a sharp reaction, not a deep one, like a sharp reaction. And then price just kept playing around it, make it fresh and unfresh, fresh and unfresh. And then suddenly a price breaks it. Keep in mind this level for sharp reactions. Let me show you here. So there was this level that actually gave a small reaction, right? You see this level?
Yes.
That level gave a sharp reaction, okay? Price once it broke it right here, look what it did. Once price broke it, what day was it? 3, 2, yeah, 3, okay. Price broke it right here on the daily, and then the new day came in and price went lower, and look at that reaction. Look at that reaction. That's 45 pips, and that's just because of the tip. That's like the every daily level gap, not a SNR gap, that gave you already a reaction and then got broken. It's more probably that is going to give you another reaction. Okay, it does not matter if it's long reaction, short reaction. So this level, what level? Yeah, this level. What did it do right here? And what did it do right there? Understand?
Yes, understand.
Yeah, because the weekly level, it was not. It's basically it did not break and it just reacted. You said it reacted from H4, right?
Yeah. I basically I was finding which level it reacted from. Then I found
Okay.
H. I found weekly.
Yeah.
So
yeah, it's
I don't see the daily basically and daily level.
it's a daily level.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, no worries. Any more questions?
Bro, if you can
You got a Zoom Pro, bro?
Audio SD. You
نعم.
say that الأوديو SD الأستراليان دولار.
يورو يو اس دي.
لا أستراليان.
UD USD.
اييه.
ايوه بسم الله. ها
كاين هذاك ديلي ريجيك ديلي كاين currently.
currently yes كاين daily reject daily.
البريك اوت باقي ما كاينش.
Someone is recording my session. I heard my voice in someone's software. You better stop recording. Yeah. Okay, so
Bro, are you recording today's session, bro?
I'm recording it, but you guys, for the one who's recording it, did not ask me to record it.
You
Did
can't
not
see?
ask for my permission. I always record the sessions, but I don't send it to everyone. I choose the people that I send it to. They do not send it in the group. I send it in the DMs. So if you guys ever want a recording of any session that we had before, just contact me on Telegram private. But do not record it without letting me know, okay?
For sure, bro.
Yeah. Okay, so you have daily reject daily. Is this
ما كاينش بريك اوت تما.
في ال H4?
اه.
في ال H4 البريك اوت راه هي كي هنا. So if we break this, we start the daily bearish storyline.
اوكي.
علاش ما خيرتش انا هذه على ما خيرتش
هذيك انترنال.
ايوه يعطيك الصحة. يعطيك الصحة. واش قلت لي؟
ديجا التاتش ديال الليفل كاينه قبل من هذه.
ايوه يعطيك الصحة. ثم وراه next daily.
next.
I mean, that was a good decision level, right? On the 4 hour.
Yeah. Even I saw. I was about to tell.
I was just checking that one. Yeah.
Oh yeah. This one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Decision level. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. And let's check each one. Each one is also fresh. Oh, beauty. Eh?
Yeah.
Touched and then broke.
Yeah.
That's very good.
It is low risk.
Yeah, it's low risk. Yeah. No. Wait. Why is it low risk? That's medium risk. The storyline is bullish.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Yes.
Medium risk. Yeah.
Yeah, medium risk.
Sorry.
If
It
it's
was in
like-
GBP USD. Sorry. It was in GBP
Oh
USD.
yeah,
There is a low
the
risk.
GBP USD one was actually low risk. Yeah.
Yeah. I gave him another signal.
Yeah. Okay, so
بريك اوت باقي ما كاينش يعني مازال
مازال ما بديناش البارح شوي اذا بريكينا هذه وش نبداو باري ستوري لاين وراه الديلي الجاي وينو راه عندك هذا الديلي الجاي هذا الديلي it's been sharp reaction but not at first but this one that's next day سمت مونيتوري انت هنايا ال H4 breakout. If you have an H4 breakout it means you should close the cells. Okay. So if we break this H4 level, we wait for pullback to the highest level right here, or the second one, or a level that aligns with the daily, because daily is gonna create one. Look, the daily is gonna create one. So that daily you just refine it to H4, okay, and that one, and then from H4 to H1, and H1 is still there. So that's the low risk entry, because it's aligning with the daily. And then if it fails, you take the next low risk. Take the next low risk setup. فهمت?
Yes.
So like, what if you want to like take in between? Like, we can use the continuation entries.
Yeah, you can use the continuation entries like H4, H1 fresh, just like H4 fresh, and then H1 fresh also.
Bro, I
This
have a
would be your
question.
yeah.
Bro, I think like you don't seem to take continuation entries mostly, right?
I don't
often take continuation entries, right?
I don't often take continuation entries.
Yeah, like you
I don't take
Yeah.
them that much, yeah, because why you take continuation entries when you have low risk and some good
Yeah.
entries, you know? I did
Alright.
take the today on gold.
I-
It was a continuation entry, but
Can you show?
yeah, the one that I told you about, H4, H1 freshest. We already talked about it.
Oh.
So
Okay.
H4, H1 gap, and then I did not take it from the gap. I refined it to this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
برو فور ذا
I
ديسيجن
have a
ليفل واش كتحتاج شي كونفيرماسيون ولا بلاش
For الواش
ديسيجن ليفل
decision level تقدر تخدم confirmation بصح تقدر تحط ليميت same shit.
بحال هذه حيت هذه اصلا ستوري لاين بوليش ماشي بيرش دابا واش تحتاج كونفيرماسيون ولا تدخل فيها بحال هكا
تقدر دبر راسك تا كل واحد والبلون تاعو. انا بالنسبه ليا كي نشوفها واضحه مليحه ما نخدمش بكونفيرماسيون. هي لو كان ما تكونش مع ستوري لاين it's just a gut feeling تحسها لداخل من بعد يعني كفايه. فهمت؟ تقدر تخدم بالكونفيرميشن ثاني عادي ما كانش مشكل. انا دوك نشوفوا الكونفيرميشن. It was AUD/USD, right?
Yeah.
Decision level. Yeah. So I'm gonna look at M5. When did it get touched? Just what the? So let me just square that up. It does not matter. Yeah. So if it touched right there, you would want to enter after the price breaks this one. But yeah, it did not touch there. Let me just see when price started. بدا على الزوج تاع العشية تاع الصباح. اسمها طرحنا الزوج تاع الصباح. Yeah. It touched here. touched here and بعد ما توتشات تشوف انت internal ولا external breakout كيف هاي ليك الانترنال ولا الام 1 ترند لاين تروح الام 1 ترند لاين عندك مع البري يطلع يقيس تجبد الترند لاين تاعك هنا هاي ليك الترند لاين قد سخرتك تشوف فيه هذا كامل
باين مزيان.
الترند لاين باين مزيان هذا لا بريكا هنا راه جت في بريكا مع الام 5 واش تي تبريكا
طيب.
هنا تبدا تسالي وستوب لوس تاعك تحطها فوق الليفل ب 10 بيبس ولا مبالي شحال في الفوركس اي would use 15 بيبس above the level تسمى بالكونفيرميشن تولي واحد 10 بيبس لا 10 بيبس is a
brother,
lot 10 بيبس is a lot 10 بيبس is a lot I would use stop loss like this here's a tip so if you use confirmation guys and then you're confused how to take the stop loss go to the level okay and drag a box from the level to the highest price where it went on M5 and then copy it and then paste it and that's your stop loss حط stop loss هنا okay
دوبل ديالها
double ديالها okay تستعمل confirmation only when you use confirmation if you don't use confirmation fixed 15 pips on forex fixed 32 pips on gold okay
I
ثانك يو
mean,
no worries.
basically on the 4-hour decision level, it's like a 50% chances, right, of playing out. Because this is gonna be like an early entry because we are taking like a counter trend.
Okay, so
the
decision
market is
level
going up.
works. Decision level gives you 85% to 95% reaction, but does not. It's 50-50 if it's holding or swinging or not. You know what I'm saying?
So basically on the decision level, if you take entry, like there's a 50% chance it could play out, or maybe it will just break and go up.
No. It does play out 85% of the time. It's just
So
a
that's
50% chance that it's the storyline
early
starts.
entry we are taking, right?
Am I lagging or he is lagging? Am I lagging?
No.
No, you
Okay.
are good.
Okay. So I said that. Okay, so what was I saying? Yes, I said it's 50-50
I'm
because
sorry,
50-50 for swinging.
this is not.
Yeah, it's his internet. It's his internet. Yeah, you guys got the point, right? If it's if there is a decision level that has been broken, that simply means it's more likely to give you a reaction like 80 to 85%, 90% reaction. But to hold it and to make a swing out of it, I don't think so. It's 50-50 because price can simply just do this. Price, what can it do? Go H4, gives you an H1 breakout, and then starts H1 storyline and just goes up to the next daily or whatever. It can do that because it does not start a storyline. That's why I don't like to use the decision level as a storyline indicator because actually Arif uses it this way, but for him he's in and out a lot, so he does all swings, but he's not good at swinging when as much as scalping. He's very good at scalping and in and out trades. He's very good at that. But I prefer holding the trades, low risk setups. That's much better for me. Props to him though. I learned the H4, H1 fresh fishes from him. Yeah. Any more questions? Questions?
Sorry, my net shit today. Whatever you said, I am sure I missed it.
No worries. Are you back, Ayan?
Yeah, man, I don't know this internet shit today. So what I was saying, like on the 4-hour when we take entry,
yeah,
right,
I heard you.
like
I heard
early,
you. So
like early entry, right? Like a decision level.
yeah, I heard you. So I said that decision level gives you a reaction most of the time, like 80-85%, but it does not create a swing trade. It's 50-50 for swinging, you know? If you want to swing, do not take decision levels.
It does not
Yeah, so
start storyline, right?
basically, let's say, for example, if you enter and you better secure some profit in the next zone, right? So if you enter that 4-hour decision level, and it might go to the next level, right?
Next H4 level, yeah, maybe.
Bro, we can't be sure,
Just
right?
take a
It's
certain
only
pip.
after like storyline that it will go
Yeah,
to the
you
next
can't
level.
be sure only after storyline, yeah.
So
But you're
what
sure
maybe
that
like
it's gonna give you a reaction. You're sure that it's gonna give you a decent reaction.
so can we know like what will be the expected TP for that decision level?
For decision level, it's from 80 to 100 pips on gold. For Forex, I don't know how much is that. 40. I would TP right here. So that's 30 pips. Yeah, around 30 to 40 pips, 50 pips on Forex. But on gold, it's 80 pips, 100 pips.
Okay.
Gold fly now.
Gold flying. I think so, yeah.
I had an entry. Bro.
And nice. H4. The H1 is not fresh. I said H1 did not play out. Next H1 is right there. Yeah, same shit. So your entry, let's take M15. M15 did not do breakout right there. So let's check M5. M5 breakout, price pulls back, your TP is M15. M15 right there. Price rejected, you would close your entry. That's why sometimes it sucks to scalp. Your TP is sometimes so short. Yeah. I'm expecting a reaction from this daily. Hopefully it creates a swing point. If it does, then happy to anticipate that. Some good risk.
So we do have like
on the euro.
like low risk entries from the top, right?
What you say?
We do have like a
Low
low
risk.
risk entry.
Yeah,
From the
always.
top?
Yeah, you have a low risk. Whenever a storyline starts, it creates a swing point, and that swing point is always a low risk. Always.
Okay.
اخي امين ديما المارشي مورا الربعه بحال كيشيفتي كيقلب.
مربعة. الربعة بوقت UK. والله ما تولت باللي يشيفتي، بس صح انا يشيفتي في نيويورك.
بحال دابا كان
في نيويورك.
من الافتتاح ديال نيويورك حتى الربعه كان كيهبط.
بار اكزومبل اذا لندن نقولوا من 7 ل 12 يطلع، في نيويورك من 12 للربعه يهبط معظم الاوقات.
من الربعه عاوتاني الفوق كيقلب كيبدا يطلع.
يعاود يقلب بيكوز واش كاين لندن كلوز واش دير لك؟ لندن كلوز تخدم لك الهاي تاع الداي ولا اللو تاع الداي؟ هاي اوف ذا داي اور لو اوف ذا داي.
اوكي.
ماشي دائما هذا it's not objective. Yeah, it's not objective. يعني معظم الوقت تصرى هكاك. Yeah. Any more questions, guys?
All clear, bro.
Okay, very
Thank
good.
you very much.
Okay, let's go to Euro. Let's check Euro. So who's interested in Euro
Yes.
SMC trade breakdown? Okay, very good.
Yeah, I was.
So
I had
okay,
first
so we
entry,
said
but I didn't saw the second entry.
what you say? Second entry, yeah, I'm gonna show you how I got that second entry.
Yeah.
So
I had the first entry. I took it.
Price gravitates toward gravitates towards, we said last time, previous daily lows, previous daily highs, previous weekly lows, previous weekly highs, previous monthly lows, previous monthly highs, and agent liquidity, equal highs, equal lows, and trend lines. So every time when price does take the 100%, okay, it reverses. If it does continue, it means it's just looking for another one before actually reversing, and it always reverses from this one or this one. And this is what happened today. Today, we had the previous daily low, and price decided to take that, and I waited for price to give me a shift, and then I entered, but price decided to take another previous weekly low. Actually, there was a weekly low right there, and then price took that, So I took a loss in here. It gave me the shift, and then I took a loss, and then price took this one, and then now I'm running. Hopefully we can take the buy side liquidity. So how I did that? So when you go to the daily, you see this daily low right here. This the daily low.
Yes.
Price took it. Price took it. Price took it, and then price actually gave me a break of structure. And then once it came back to this order block right here, I took a loss. Price stopped me out. Okay, I did not enter this way, but this is one way to enter. I actually entered off of an order block on the left. So it does not matter. It's the same thing. And then price took me out. And then price decided to take, I've seen, it's actually not me who noticed it. So it's Harris, Guy Harris. I don't know if he's with us, but yeah, that's the guy that sent me that he told me there is a weekly low. Should we mind waiting for the weekly low to be taken? So I was like, that's where the game of probabilities kicks in. So it can take the daily low and goes up, it can take the weekly daily low and weekly low and another one and then go up. But you have to be reasonable. It's not going to take 3. So then it took the previous weekly low. Look, it's taken, even if it's with 0.1 people touch it. Okay, this one right here is enough for you to say the liquidity has been taken. So from here to here, that's 1 pip. That's so enough. And then price on M1 gave me a shift in market structure. Price did what? Price lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower high, and then price did higher low, and then a higher high, higher low, higher high, and that's the break of structure that I took. Price broke that high, and then came back to what? This order block right here. And that was my buy. Stop loss below the low. And yeah, now I'm currently running with break even. So I'm waiting for price to, I actually took a small partial to cover for 50% of my loss because I actually risked 2% right here. I'm not supposed to do that. So price went up a little. I took 1% off, and now I'm leaving the rest running with 1% risk. Yeah, hopefully we can reach the target. That's the buy side. So the buy side is simply a daily high, as you can see, a daily high right there. And after 4 hours, we're gonna have a new target, which would be this one. But when you go to lower time frames, you can see that we have actually equal highs right here, the trend line. So we're more likely to go higher. Okay. That's simple. You could have re-entered from here, but price actually never came back. Yeah, do you guys have any questions? I think SMC is way simpler there than SNR, especially people are more common with it. So they actually know what's an order block, stuff like that.
Basically, your strategy, I mean, your teaching is very simple, but in normally SMC, there is liquidity, there is many things. It is really difficult, but it's.
Yeah,
I
but
mean,
the liquidity
your,
is simply, yeah. Yeah,
and
thank you.
there is a lot of rejection block, breaker block, lot of things, but
Yeah.
for your teaching, it's very, very easy. I mean, anyone
Thank
can
you,
learn
thank you.
within 5 minutes.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. Really appreciate your kind words. So I said that.
I mean, send
Yeah.
PDF, bro. PDF for study.
Okay, you know what, guys? Let's make the PDF right now. Let's make a new PDF with you guys, and you guys give me the examples.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
You got a pro
Okay.
version now, huh, Zoom. So you have enough time.
Huh? What you say?
You got a pro version now, Zoom.
I didn't really hear you.
Zoom,
What you said?
Your Zoom meeting is a pro
Yeah, I'm
version
gonna
now.
do it. The Zoom what?
Your Zoom meeting is
Yeah.
it's a pro version now.
No. It's VIX Zoom. I don't invest in Zoom. I like
He's
to remind
asking now.
myself from.
Vic-
Yeah, I
Vic
like
is
to.
asking you.
I like to remind
I
myself
believe it's more
sometimes
than
that
40 minutes now, so
I'm
not
actually 40
disconnected.
minutes in. Yeah. We're
Okay, let's
approaching
do
the
it.
daily soon. Yeah. Let me actually open up Word. All right. So first entry type.
Okay.
So what do you guys want? Entry types only? What do you guys want in the PDF? Entry types, okay. Let's make
From storyline to entry type.
all right. From no. Storyline is easy. Come on. Don't make me
Okay,
waste some
okay.
energy.
So add all
Okay,
entry
okay,
types.
entry types.
All entry types.
Entry types. 7 entry types. Zlanka
Bro, also include scalping also.
Scalping, yeah, it's one of the entry types, so you can do that. First one is take
50-50.
daily fresh levels that align, yeah, that align with weekly storyline. Take weekly
We can't see the screen.
fresh levels. Yeah, of course you can't see it. I'm making it, bro. I'm just sharing the Brave browser. So take weekly
Okay.
fresh levels
Okay.
that align with monthly storyline. Why is it auto-correcting me? Fuck you. That's right, stupid. Okay.
I mean, just out of interest, right? You know, the way you teach, it seems like things are quite simple. Like, for example, story.
Yeah.
But you know, when we see some of these, well, a lot of people in general, and some of the, you know, some of the other mentors who say it took them 6 months, a year and a half to learn storyline and stuff. I mean, what would you reckon the hold up was? Again, was it incorrect teaching, or do you reckon it was something else?
Okay, so if I'm teaching you something that I'm actually unsure about, I'm gonna. Why did you join my mentorship in the first place? You joined because you thought that after the mentorship you're gonna do well, or at least a little bit better. Okay, so in order for you to understand something very clear, why don't you understand it in one day? It's bullshit. Okay, when people say, okay, I don't know who said this or what mentor said this, but it's bullshit when a mentor tells you that you can't understand something in a such period of time. The only thing that's going to take you a lot of time is the whole process, because let's say someone is new to SNR. In order for him to start actually seeing the levels, breakouts here and there, that might take time. But for someone who already have basics of SNR, learning a concept does not take more than 1 minute or 2 minutes, like, you know. So if he's telling you that, just know that he's actually unsure about that, and he's just planting, let's say, a thought in your head. So when it does not work for you, you're like, oh yeah, he told me wait for 6 months in order for me to actually get it. And in 6 months, he's not your mentor anymore, is he?
That's true. That is true.
Yeah. So yeah, just for you guys, you understood the storyline in 1 day. And new students, old students, actually, who have some basics, and so it's the same. But let's say for entry types and multi-time frame, like the operation of time frames, as you can see, 2 time frames or breakout entry types, that's the thing that takes some time, especially for the guys who are new to SNR. There is a guy who came in from WWA, actually lit. His name is I don't know, his name is Manuel Podomenic, I guess. Yeah, this guy never heard of SNR, and he just got almost everything in one session. It does not make sense
Wow.
for anyone to tell you it's gonna take a lot of time. I
Is
mean,
that
it might take.
as well? Is he training
Listen,
with SNR?
I don't know. He's new to SNR like just a week ago. I don't know if he's training with it or he's trying it, but he's type of guy who would only take low risk entries. So I don't think he did take any trades. But what I'm trying to say is, yeah, I forgot what I was gonna say.
Don't let others' thoughts basically hold you back, I guess, is what you're ultimately trying to say, right?
No, oh no. I was gonna say that you can understand all the concepts very clearly just 1 day or 2, but you might actually still be struggling to be profitable and get funded just because of your mental, not mental, because if you don't have a good strategy and you have shit mental, you can still pass, honestly. But what I'm trying to say, you still can hold yourself back. Sometimes you close early, sometimes you take some unnecessary trades, even though you know everything. That's what might hold you back. But understanding the knowledge is definitely easy. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, sometimes, I don't know, like they bring up, okay, so I had this one mentor, I'm not going to mention his name, but whenever he brings a concept, the next session he talks differently about it, and I'm like so confused with it. So one day he did this. You just go to the chart. Okay, so I still remember the example. it's the same Arif example, but with another concept. Let me just look for it. I still remember it by heart. Oh yeah, that one. Yeah, so Arif actually told you that he got this entry from this trend line, right?
Yes.
If you remember this, it's in the leaked videos of Arif. He was talking about this one. So this one is bullshit. So I had this one mentor actually showing me how he entered from here. Okay. One day he told me he entered with engulfing, and then the other day he came in and told me that he entered from a level right here. I mean, this is a valid one, but he told me two different things in two different sessions. And it was actually, the entry was shared on his Instagram, and that where all the doubts and stuff like that started kicking in my head. So I was like, yeah, I don't care anymore. So whatever bullshit he says, I'm not gonna just make it more complicated for my head, because the more you try to ask some questions that will never be answered. So you ask him, why did you do that the last time and now you did this? He's gonna come up with something you're not gonna think of. I don't know, like some bullshit. So yeah, you're just gonna make it hard for yourself. So just throw the shit. Yeah. But yeah, props to some traders. Yeah, I had 7 mentors of SNR, and 3 of them actually helped me a lot. So yeah, there are actually good mentors out there. Yeah.
I mean, which one?
Yeah, there
RFT?
is RFT actually helped me only 20%. 20% in my SNR. Okay. The rest is okay. So there is a guy called Black Rabbit FX, Ivan,
Yeah.
Christopher.
Ivan.
That guy helped me
Mm.
tremendously in my SNR journey. Yeah.
Yeah,
Helped me
he
tremendously in my
has
SNR.
he released 3 video on YouTube. I mean, free.
By the way, do not watch his free videos. He does not talk deeply about that. Yeah. He's the one who taught me
Yeah, the interview
the
also,
2
right?
time frames lower breakout actually. What you say?
Yeah, he also had the interview with Trading Nut.
Yeah, I also had an interview with Trading Nut. Yeah, he did. Yeah, Ivan, Christopher. Yeah, he did have an
Even
interview.
he talks about he is using like SMC concept along with
Yeah, he
SNR.
stopped using SMC. Yeah, he stopped using SMC concept, and then he started using SNR concept. I watched his interview actually.
Yeah, even I had that.
Yeah.
He talked about it.
Yeah, this guy is very, I mean, good at SNR.
Yeah, he's very good, but he does
Black
not hold
Rabbit
some
help you with,
swings.
just out of interest?
What you say?
Or what did Black Rabbit help you with?
The 2 time frames lower breakout and the operation of the time frames.
Okay.
What about the
Yeah.
other guy, bro? The third guy, who is it? Your mentor?
It's Awi.
From your place?
Okay.
You guys know Awi?
FKFX, right?
Awi, not
Oh.
Avi. Awi.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Awi.
Yeah. That's my other mentor. He helped me tremendously with the storyline. Yeah. Let me just keep making the PDF. So high risk, take daily fresh levels that aligns with weekly storyline. Take weekly fresh levels that aligns with monthly storyline. Okay. Medium risk. You have projection. Daily. Certain time frame. And I'm just give you an example and then you be flexible. Daily reject. Daily. Look.
Bro, add
Action.
one buying and selling example, that will be good.
Sure, fresh. What you say?
Add like both selling and buying examples.
I really did not hear you very well.
You can add like one buying example, one selling example.
You can have a buy and a sell like hedging.
No, yeah, do that also. That will be good. Your like partials.
He basically meant to say like when you doing the PDF, right? Just give one example of buy also and one example of sell. That's what I heard. Correct?
Cool, bro.
Okay, yeah.
No,
Yeah. Decision.
Like you mentioned, talk like add that also, bro. Hedging one, that is also good way strategy.
Yeah. Touch
But
weekly
it's
daily.
it's
I'm
not
just
it's not
gonna put the most important stuff here, and then for the hedging stuff, you guys try to learn it with all the
Yeah.
PDF.
cool, bro.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Done, bro.
Okay. So decision level entry. I said H4 touch weekly daily leaves a gap level that should be broken. Then sell or buy when it's tested again. 2 time frames, lower breakout. H1 fresh and 15 breakout and 30 CP. If M30 breaks, hold 2. And then we have the low risk entries. You have one time frame lower breakout. Starts. Okay, so you guys don't need pictures. I'm gonna send you the pictures after I send the PDF. I'm gonna send pictures for every entry type. Decision level. Okay. Right here.
When your interview is coming, bro? Telling that?
What you say? It's in 6th of the next month. Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Wait, alliance is just with one L? Why are people asking me if I'm back to SMC? I've always been trading that shit.
It's what everyone shows in YouTube. Maybe because of that.
I don't know. This PDF is not pretty.
It's okay, whatever.
We will customize.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna put it in. Oh no, I'm not gonna put it in the group. I'm gonna send it individually. So whoever wants the PDF, just contact me on DMs.
Okay.
Ayan, Ayan in the list.
Yeah, there is a guy who yeah, it's Ebby. Ebby is the guy that been like asking me for the PDF like since he joined, man. Like PDF, bro, PDF.
No, since so many others also asked, bro. You still like
Yeah.
But it's
Basically,
good.
we
No,
have basically we have
To
seen
remember
a lot
all
of times 7 entries, so it's already in our head. So we don't know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just oh yeah, continuation entries is just H4H1. I'm gonna add that later on the PDF. I'm gonna make it prettier and then share it to you guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
If anyone
I actually made one, but then I forgot where I put it. That's why, guys, I was making a delay, but yeah. Yeah. Okay, so I guess that would be it for today's session. I hope you guys got something or two from it. If you have any more questions, please ask me before I leave. And yeah,
we got many things today.
yeah, very good. Happy to hear that. So no more questions. I guess that would be it for today's session, and I'll catch you up in the next week for the next weekly refreshment. For those who have one-on-ones with me, please contact me in the DMs.
Okay,
Okay,
Tis.
so even
Thank
for
you.
the guys
Thank
that
you, thank you
finished,
so much.
yeah, no worries. Even the guys that finished the all the topics in one-on-ones, you still guys have you can still contact me for one more one-on-one, maybe some do refreshments alone, if you guys want that. Yeah, just let me know, guys. Just let me know what you want. I'll try to provide that.
Thank
I'll
you.
catch you up, guys, in the next session,
Thank you, Amin.
inshallah.
Thank
And
you.
Much, Amin.
Good
Thank
night.
you very
Bye.
much.
Bye.
Thank
Bye,
you
guys.
very much.
Bye.
no worries.
Okay. Allah
Bye-bye.
Hafiz.